Hey there, my name's Adam and you're watching my renovation here on Iris Street. It is week 99, so we're almost at the big 100. This week, mainly 3 things happen. I get some more mudding done on the drywall. Charlie and Rachel visit from Ireland, which is really nice to see them again. And the big event on the weekend is the 50-mile ultra out in Steamboat that you've seen me training for all year. So not a ton happens on the house, but it's a really good week. Next week, week 100, is when a lot's going to start happening outside the house. The new retaining wall is going to get put in, and the new privacy fence will be installed around the backyard. Hopefully all of that's finished by the end of the week, but we'll see. Anyways, for now, let's check out week 99. Much of this week's going to be self-explanatory. To kick things off, I do some mudding before I have to head up to Steamboat Springs for my ultra. That's good. On Friday, I made it up to Steamboat Springs around 4 p.m. After checking in, getting my number, and dropping off my drop bag, I attended a quick orientation at Olympian Hall. The rest of the evening was just for relaxing in my condo, getting a quick dinner, and hopefully, with any luck, getting some sleep in. It's always so hard to get a good night's rest before these big efforts.
But there are things that you're going to think back on that really are important, that really are life-changing. And you're going to have to trust me on this, but this is one of those things.
Well, guys, here we are, the moment I've been training for all summer. It's a 6 a.m. start, which means it's still dark here in the mountains in Steamboat. Pop on my headlamp with 200 other crazy folks, and we hit the trails. I'm not going to talk over this footage too much, but suffice it to say, this is the first time I've ever ran 50 miles. In fact, the longest I've ever run in one go in my entire life up to this point is 31 miles with Joe when we ran the Rito Alto 4-Pass on my birthday this year. So, I'm pretty confident I'm going to be able to do this thing, but you'll find out if I actually do or not. Alright guys, we're cranking along. Just hit mile 15, just 30% done. Next aid station will be the base camp aid station. I think that's around mile 20. After that, have the final climb, another 1,000-foot climb up to Rabbit Ears Peak. It's a halfway point, turn around, come back. See you guys in a bit. It's a great day, a little bit of rain throughout the day. The volunteers were amazing. I can't say enough good things about the volunteers here. Every aid station, you'll see them. They're cheering us on, encouraging us, asking us what we need. And honestly, it was just a beautiful day of running. People! Thanks, guys. All right, guys, about 18.7 miles in, just past the base camp aid station. Got some chips and pretzels and pickles and cookies on a little PB&J, some Tailwind. So trying to stay properly fueled. Next aid station is Dumont, and I have my first major right turn coming up. So hopefully I don't miss that. So far, so good. They said I'm number 11. We'll see how the day goes. This is it, guys. Right turn to Dumont, the one you don't want to miss. At mile 25, we touch Rabbit Ears Peak, which gets us a piece of paper that says we've made it to the halfway point. All right, guys, quick update. Mileage, 36 and a half. In the 7-hour range, I am in 9th or 10th place. There are 2 guys probably hot on my heels. Should be an aid station coming up. Can a NASCAR pit stop it? Refill my liquids, get some salty things, and just hit it. Going for a top 10 finish, but still 13 and a half miles. Wish me luck. We also might get rain here. All right, guys, I just hit 45 miles at 9:33, so that's 9 hours, 33 minutes. I have 5 to go. Probably just catch you at the bottom. Wish me luck. From this point, I'm pretty much done talking with the camera because I'm just ready to be done with this race. I finished those final 7 miles with increasing speed, but about 4 people do end up passing me. That means I got 14th overall and a finish time of 10 hours, 24 minutes. Honestly, for my first ultra, I'm really happy with it. I ran essentially the entire thing, and I felt pretty good for the most part. My feet weren't too messed up at the end, and yeah, I was sore, but all my training and preparation really seems to have paid off. So we'll see what I do next year, but for now, it's time to relax a little bit. Joe finished about 56 minutes behind me, cranked out a great time. This guy had broken toes, problems with his knees, pulled a calf a week before, and still finished this thing. Joe is a beast, and great friend and a great running partner. There he is with his wife and his family. They came out to watch us. Our other buddy, Tyler, had to drop out due to altitude sickness at mile 28, but you know what? It happens, and he's going to be running a 100-mile ultra in Indiana in October. So best of luck to him. Thanks to everyone, all the volunteers who supported us, and that's a success. Before Charlie and Rachel have to head back to Ireland, Charlie's going through this giant stack of junk mail that accumulated at my house while he's been overseas. It's never long enough when friends visit, but I'm sure we'll see him again soon, so for now, happy travels back to Ireland. Now that I'm done torturing myself on the ultra, it's back to mudding at the house. Every night, no matter how much free time I have, I get something done on the house. So tonight, I'm doing a little bit of pre-fill and mudding work around the gas line for the hot water heater. You're not even going to be able to see back here, but hey, why not mud it in, tape it, and make it look nice all the same. With each passing project, I'm getting more and more comfortable with the super taper. So right here, I'm just prepping these factory joints, and this is the master bedroom. Now that I've got the super taper in good working order, I'll pull out some tape, put it in my bucket, and throw it up on the ceiling. All right, guys, that's a wrap on week 99. Tune in next week for some big work in the backyard with a new retaining wall, a new fence, and maybe even some cool stuff inside. Catch you next week.